I'd also like to introduce Burke Burnett. Burke Burnett and he's the founder and director of the Indo-Pacific Conservation Alliance. Most of Burke's work is done in Papua, Indonesia, and he works mostly with the Asmat people. And he'll talk a little bit about his work here now.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for having me. It's really a privilege to be here in such a spectacular place. I've been lucky enough to travel to a lot of different places around the world, and I have to say Telluride really ranks up there. It's really an amazing place. And thanks to Rick Silverman and to Jack and to Ramona for organizing this. I think it's been a great event. I've got way too many slides. I wasn't sure how much time I was going to have, so I've got way too many slides that can possibly fit in 10 minutes. So I'm going to blow through it really quickly. And it would ideally form some sort of logical sense, but I'm not sure it will now. So hopefully there's a train of thought, which is always an advantage. What do I do to advance this one? All right there, okay. So I'm just going to blow through some of these really quickly. Andy did a great job at hitting some of the important issues, so he did me a huge favor in talking about what some of the issues and threats are. I'm just going to blow through some of these. You already know where New Guinea is. You've seen that slide. Ecoregions, extremely diverse ecosystems there. Cultures. It's not scrolling through fast enough. Apologize. These are some about species, but people did this way better than I could do. It's insisting on going through the whole cycle here. Sorry about that. Forward. Nice pictures, and I have to say, most of the species pictures are not mine, including the first slide that you saw is from a friend of mine, George Steinmetz, who's a National Geographic photographer who kindly donated his photos to us. So all the really cool species photos are not mine, so I have to have that caveat there. Once we get to the Asmat pictures, those will be mine. Threats, is there a way to go faster here? Here, I'll start with this one. I co-founded IPCA along with Alan Allison, who's actually our chairman, 5 years ago. And before that, I was with Conservation International. And I worked for 2 years on a project whose major output was this map. So I'm going to make some critical comments about this map, and in no way should it reflect on CI, which is a great organization. They do great work. But it's illustrative of what some of the conservation issues are here. If you looked at this map, you'd think that these are all designated protected areas that are